Hello, my name is David Simard-Jean. I am a student at the Cégep of City-Assen in the film program. I have been in this program for 2 years now. I have learned how to make films, the history of cinema, the basic cinematic language, and the movie around the world. In this program, I need to do a lot of research work. And for that, I need to read books and go to websites. My favorite website is, of course, Wikipedia, but even that cannot be complete. I still need more information. And for that, I go to IMDB. It is a special site about cinema. You can have information about the upcoming film, like you can have some trailers, and latest news about the industry. If you want to search for a particular movie, like even, for example, Seven, you can have a page about that, and there's a lot, even for episodes of TV shows. There you can see in the middle we can have the title, the year it come out, the ratings it gets. We can have the plot, the director, the screenwriter, the main actor. If you scroll down, you can have a trailer, you can have some photos, the complete cast, the complete storyline, some details like language, it is in English, it is an American film, the film location, the box office, its budget, all games, and some technical things like the runtime and the ratio. When it beats Wikipedia, it is about that. You can have some anecdotes about the movie. It may seem like useless, but if you read them, you can understand the context of how the film was made, and it can really help you in your research work. You can even have some reviews of people who watch it. That you see a really positive one. And all the reviews made serve to do the rate of the movie. Like there is over 1 million reviews made, we give all to this film this note. If you want to search for a particular person, you can. For example, this is the directors, producers, actors, screenwriters, editors, even cinematographers are of their page on the site. You can then see what they're known for. They are the complete filmography with announced movies, TV series, all the episodes they made, and even a music clip. This is why IMDb is a really complete site for the lovers of cinema. It can really help you in the research work in this program. Thank you to listen to me.